Joe and Lil Will. Park it. It's time for a standard run on Sunday, March 26th. Will. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell on your thing. There you go. Off to go. Show us your weaves, Willster. And Mama's watching you, so you better do good. Boy. I didn't really want to sit bad.
I love when he sits.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh, we love the tunnel. And I'm a rock star when I'm running across. So. Gotta collect the dog. Keep that butt up. Yes. Nice. 37-15.